Hey everyone! So happy to see you back on my channel. Today we're making a delicious low-calorie, high-protein pizza that tastes amazing and is super quick to prepare.